going to take an inordinate amount of work. And focus. There's been several of these, what they call AI winters, where in the 80s, everyone thought robots were going to be taking over the world and we were losing chess matches to them. And it never happened. And it's happened time and time again. I really think this time we're on a cusp. I think we're moving to a place where automation and robotics and, just smart decision-making tools are really actually going to make a fundamental difference in people's lives. We're unmanned experts. Unmanned aircraft was always our forte, and there's 3 of them lying out there right now. But we're looking at this as just things we can get our hands on to use, but it could be ubiquitous. And so, and the hope is we can design. In this case, it's a language droidish that they can talk across the network. But what strikes me, how flipping hard it is. It just doesn't seem natural. It stuns me every time that we get a new, software program in or a new hardware board. It's going to take an inordinate amount of work and focus. And so that's something I'm really excited about, because I think we're really on the cutting edge of this collaborative autonomy, drones and robots and platforms being able to talk to each other and come up with reasonable decisions and not take over the world. But obviously that's baked in. But how just incredibly difficult it is to make any of this work.